My name is Austin Kregle. This is my 1995 Nissan 240SX. I bought this car back in 2006 because I wanted to learn how to start drifting. I saw a couple of videos online and I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and I wanted to try to do it myself. So I bought this car bone stock and slowly did some modifications and upgraded it as my skills progressed to where you see it today as my competition car. Sponsored by Wiring Specialties, Efficiency Mechanical, 2F Performance, Praxis Motorsports, and Zestino Tires. We're out here today at Spirit of the Streets here in Las Vegas, Nevada, run by the great group of guys at Vegas Drift. It's a two-day event. We're at day 2 right now. Yesterday was a lot of fun, got a lot of good seat time. There's just so much fun. It was a little windy. It was pretty windy yesterday. But yeah, we're out here today, day 2. I'm gonna do some more driving and stuff, have some fun before we head back to Phoenix. Had some troubles yesterday. Been struggling with power steering issues all day. It keeps getting pretty hot and boiling after a couple laps. Later in the afternoon, the harmonic balancer pulley flew off, so that kind of ended my day early. But fortunate enough, Forest Wing here in Las Vegas had a couple spare parts that I was able to get and fix the car first thing this morning, so we're good to go for the rest of the day today. So for 2018, this year, I'm doing ProAm again for a full season. This will be my 3rd full season in ProAm for Southwest Drift Series run by Vegas Drift. Super excited. Last year I came really close to getting my Pro 2 license. I got 4th place, or finished 4th place just by a couple points. So this year I'm really excited. I think I'm going to do well and get my Pro 2 license this year. So I'm super excited to see how this year unfolds.